Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And one of the websites that I monitor, and I actually am on their mailing list, is this one here called DXMaps, and it shows you the QSO and SWL reports real time. And there's a bunch of things you can select. You can select what continent you want to look at, including the world, what frequency you want to look at. This is 10 meters, or you can select any of the other ones or all the bands. And you can see right now the solar flux index is 166. Wow. We've been fighting with it being down less than 100 for over a year now, and finally it broke out, skyrocketed up to 166. Now the A index is a 12, which we don't want to be that high, but that's the way it is. Means probably going to get a lot of noise on your signals. But the K index is a 1, which is good. And you can move this map around so you can see there's a lot of traffic. Let me zoom out between the United States and South America. And this is on 20 meters. We can go to other ones. Let's go back up here. We'll select, let's see, it's 9:45 in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. Probably the 40 meter band. Let's try that. Let it update. Okay, so you can see the 40 meter band. There's a lot of traffic within the United States, and that's probably going to Australia. If I can get that zoomed out, get it on the screen. Can I zoom out any more? Yeah, there we go. Yep. Lots of, especially the west coast of the United States to Australia, some to Asia. It's interesting, there's not too much to, well, there's nothing to Europe. And that's probably because of the time of the day. Lots of activity within Europe. This is a great website. There's the address, www.dxmaps.com. Like I say, you can get on their mailing list and they will send you the conditions, the solar flux conditions, a couple of times a day. And I just clicked on the link in the email I got, and it takes me to this page right here. There it is, DXMaps version 4.21. You can also look at, this is LF and HF. You can also look at VHF, like 40 meters, or excuse me, 50 meters. Not too much there in the United States, quite a bit of activity within Europe. We could zoom in here, just look at that real quick. Whoop, I went the wrong way. Slide this over. Oh yeah, boy, there is a lot of activity. And this is either QSOs by amateur radio operators reports or shortwave listening reports. I don't think, let's see, a bunch of options here. Oh, you could have the gray line. I was trying to see if you could just have shortwave listening reports. You probably can, but I don't know. Boy, look at all the different modes you can turn on and off. Wow. And then, of course, you zoom way in. You can pick a station like this one right here. He's very, very busy. And it tells you about that station. But you must be logged in to access more information. lots of good stuff. So check it out, DXMaps, right now, with things really heating up on the shortwave bands. This is a good source of information about what's going on semi-real time. So like I said, it's real-time information. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.